Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to my channel. So we are in a data structure series. Today we are going to see one of an important topic called stack. It's called stack. Okay. So first of all, we want to know what is stack. Stack is a linear order. Linear means like it will store one by one, and we call it as a LIFO. So what does LIFO mean? So last in and first out. So it's called last in and first out. So whatever is coming last, it will go first. Okay. So here we taken one example. Okay. So I'm taking 1, 5, 7 and 8. So this is a list. Okay. So here I'm going to show in a diagrammatically. So consider this as a stack. It's a stack. Okay. So in the stack there are two events. One is push event. Another one is pop event. Pop. Push means I'm sending something. So right now its data is empty, like 0. Okay, it's a 0. It is empty. Stack is empty. So here I'm going to push. This we called as push action. So I'm pushing 1 in this data structure. So what will happen? I'm putting on mark. Here I'm storing 1. So what is the size of the stack is 1. It's stored in the 1. Then I am storing 5, like pushing. So that event is we called as push event. So right now stack is 2. Okay. So here I am going to use a pop. What is pop? Pop is removing a data. So which is the last to come here? The 5 is the lastly came, right? So this 5 will remove from the stack. So right now the stack size is what? The right now stack size is only 1. Okay. And again I'm going to push right now. Okay. I'm going to push right now. So I'm pushing 7. Okay. What will happen? This 7 will store in this size. Okay. Right now 2. And I'm going to store 8. So size is 3. Suppose here I'm calling pop event. So which will remove? And everyone says, right? 8. Because 8 is lastly came. Okay, right now we understood, right? So it's a list. We can store in a list in a linear order. It will, whenever you pushing, it will store in the order. And whenever you popping means taking. So it will remove the last came the item. Okay, this is stacks of you. So we are going to see in the coding way. Okay, so I'm going to create a new Python file. So this is file we're going to see about the stack demo. So here I'm going to create a class. This class I'm naming as stack class. So and everyone want to know this is we call as a constructor. Anyone want to know what is constructor? So you want to understand the basic constructor. Constructor call itself automatically whenever the creating object for this class. Okay, that's a constructor. Okay, here I'm going to define one variable, self dot items. Okay, so initially I'm making this as an empty list because initially the stack going to be empty, right? So that's why it's empty. Okay, after that I'm going to create another method. This method the push method. So push method, what are the information we need? We need a self and we need an item. Which item we are going to insert? Like that we insert 1, 2, 3, right? So in this, whenever I'm going to do, so what will I need to append this item. So if I send 1 means I want to store 1 in the list. Okay, I'm storing appending. We use append method to add. Okay, so in the push method we will do this. I'm going to create another method. This method to verify it is empty or not. So how do I verify? So I'm going to is empty method. How to find it's empty or not? If the size of the stack is 0 means it's empty, right? So that all I'm going to do. I'm going to return if length of this entire self dot items equal to 0. Okay, you understood, right? If the length of this is 0, then it will return a 0, like it is a true. If it is length of size is more like not 0 means it return a false. So that's why we call it as a is empty method. After that, next is pop method. So how to pop? So pop, this pop method is have a self in this, that's if statement. If not empty, this empty method is not empty means I missed that self in the front. So because this method is under this class, so I'm going to use self method. Self. So what I will do, I will remove that content, right? So self dot items dot pop. So I will remove the last item. Okay. Else I want to say to the customer, see this is stack is empty. Okay, because you cannot pop a empty stack, that's why we need to give a response. Okay, another one is I'm going to create another method, this method to show the stack. Def show self. So I'm going to print self dot items, because whenever I call the show method, I want to show the list of the items stack as. So here I'm going to create an object. See here, so object is like my, I'm going to create a my stack. In this I'm going to create an object for the class, stack class. So first event, I want to add some items, because right now it's empty, right? You want to understand, empty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to my stack dot push. I'm going to push some data. Consider it, I'm pushing some 5 to the data. So right now I will show you. So I'm going to call my stack dot show method. So after pushing the data, I'm going to show you the what is stack value. See this stack as 5, right? Next I'm going to push again dot push. I'm going, this time I'm going to 8. I'm pushing 8 and I'm putting multiple data push. So this is 1. So see this 5 8 1 in this order. So I'm going to show you the list. After that, here I'm going to pop. After pop, I'm going to show you print. Here you will see which one is popped. Okay, see this, the list is 581. The last one who came, one is came in the end. So that's why when I pop, 1 is gone from the stack. So this is it. Okay, so before that I will verify to show you, like I'm going to put a pop in this place. Obviously in this place the stack is empty, but when I do a pop with the empty, now what will become, it will print as stack is empty. See this, it's printed stack is empty. So this is a stack. So basically wherever we use the stack means any interview question in data structures going to come like I want this result, how you will how in which order it will find. So there anything which is in linear fashion, you want to find something means you can use a stack condition. Okay, it will help you a lot of questions, because I cleared so many questions using stacks. So understand the basic of stack is enough for you. When you're going to do the problem solving, it will help you a lot. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends.